Advantages and disadvantages of marble flooring for your house. Dear friends, marble is very evergreen, timeless and royal flooring. The advent of new technology and new materials has not been able to take away the charm of marble flooring. However, there are certain advantages and disadvantages of marble. Advantages of marble. Marble creates a very magnificent aesthetic impact on the interiors. Because of the veining in the marble, marble flooring can show a design pattern that is elegant and can give your home a very appealing look. Marble has an everlasting appeal. Marble does not go out of style. Wherever you are deciding of putting it in your home, it will bring your home a good value for the resale of your house. Marble flooring is very durable and can last for ages. It is a heavy stone and can take heavy loads on it. Since marble is a widely available stone, it is one that is less expensive than other natural stones. Disadvantages of marble. Marble requires proper care and maintenance. Acid should never be used on marble as it shall lose its shine. Marble should be regularly polished over a period of time to give it a new look. If proper precautions are not taken, the marble becomes yellowish in color. Italian marble is usually very soft and prone to cracks. Proper resins have to be used to make the surface strong and solid and avoid further cracks. Proper sealants should be used in marble flooring as the marble is highly porous and prone to staining. It absorbs stains very quickly, especially kitchen stains, hence are not appropriate for kitchen countertops. Marble is very heavy and a lot of labor is required in lifting the stone. Only very professional contractors can work with marble flooring and insert design infills in the floor. Marble flooring becomes very cold in winter. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.